Welcome to Money, my friend. Today, we're diving into a topic crucial to every teenager's future, the 10 most important money goals to have. Understanding how money works from a young age is a powerful tool. It can dictate the success of your financial future, and that's exactly what we're here to help with. We're going to break down these goals, offering practical tips and tricks to help you achieve them. Ready to pave your way to financial freedom? Dive in with us. Goal 1. Master the art of saving. Saving money, folks, isn't just about having a safety net. It's about creating a cushion for your dreams. It's about telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. So how can you, as a teenager, start saving? Start simple. Set aside a small portion of your allowance or earnings from your part-time job. Even if it's as small as 10%, it's a start. Over time, this habit will grow, and so will your savings. The strategy is simple. Save first, spend later. This will set the foundation for a future of financial stability. Remember, every penny saved is a stepping stone towards financial stability. Goal 2. Become a budgeting pro. Imagine budgeting as a roadmap. It's your guide to managing your money, helping you navigate from earning to spending and even saving. It's not about restriction, but rather about understanding how your money flows. So, how do you create a budget? First, identify your income sources. Next, list your expenses. Don't forget those seemingly small purchases, they add up. Now categorize your expenses into needs and wants. This will help you prioritize. Finally, compare your income to your expenses. If you're spending more than you earn, it's time to rethink your wants. And remember, a budget isn't a one-time thing. It's a living, breathing document that should be revisited and revised as your financial situation changes. A budget isn't a constraint, it's a roadmap to your financial goals. Goal 3. Understand the workings of credit. Picture credit as a promise, a trust that you'll pay back what you owe. It's a crucial part of your financial life, influencing everything from buying a home to landing a job. Let's say you want to buy a car, but don't have the full amount now. Credit allows you to borrow the money, and you promise to pay it back, usually with interest. But be aware, the way you handle your credit can impact your financial future. Timely repayments can boost your credit score, making it easier to secure loans at better rates. On the flip side, late or missed payments can hurt your score, making borrowing more expensive. Credit isn't scary when you understand it. It's a tool that can build your financial future. Goal 4. Dip your toes in the world of investing. You might have heard the term investing thrown around by adults, but what does it really mean? Simply put, investing is putting your money to work for you by buying assets that can potentially generate more money over time. Think of it as planting a seed that grows into a money tree. There are countless types of investments out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. You don't have to be a Wall Street wizard to start investing. There are plenty of learning resources and beginner-friendly platforms out there. Investing might seem complex, but it's a financial game changer. Start learning, start growing. Goals 5 and 6. Start earning and embrace entrepreneurship. Earning your own money is more than just securing that paycheck. It's about learning the real value of hard work and developing a sense of responsibility. You see, when you earn your money, you understand its worth. You appreciate the sweat and effort that goes behind each dollar. Now let's talk about entrepreneurship. This isn't just about starting a business. It's about solving problems, being innovative, and creating value. Think about it. Maybe you're great at baking cookies. Why not start a small cookie business in your neighborhood? Or perhaps you're a whiz at graphic design. You could start freelancing and help local businesses with their logos or marketing materials. You see, entrepreneurship gives you the opportunity to turn your passions into profit. It's about creating something from scratch and watching it grow. Earning and entrepreneurship are two sides of the same coin. Both teach you the value of money and hard work. Goals 7 and 8. Pursue financial education and avoid unnecessary debt. Financial literacy isn't a one-time lesson, it's a lifelong pursuit. It's about understanding the value of money, how it works, and how it can work for you. Be an active learner, read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. But here's a crucial bit. Avoid unnecessary debt like a hot potato. It might seem tempting to buy now and pay later, but remember, debt is like a leech. It saps your financial strength. So how can we dodge this bullet? Simple. Live within your means, save for what you want and need, and only use credit responsibly. Remember, not all debt is bad. A mortgage or student loan can be an investment in your future. However, credit card debt from unnecessary purchases, that's a no-go. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Avoid debt like the plague. Goals 9 and 10. Embrace philanthropy and aim for financial independence. Let's dive into the significance of these twin objectives. Philanthropy, or giving back to the community, is a powerful way to foster empathy and gratitude. It's not just about money. You can donate time, skills, or resources to causes that resonate with you. This act of kindness not only uplifts those in need, but also enriches your own life with a sense of purpose. On the other hand, financial independence, the ability to sustain your lifestyle without relying on employment income, is a lofty yet attainable goal. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your passions without the worry of financial constraints. This security comes from disciplined saving, savvy investing, and smart money management. In essence, philanthropy and financial independence are two sides of the same coin. Philanthropy warms the heart, and financial independence frees the soul. Aim for both. And there you have it. The 10 money goals every teenager should strive for. From saving and budgeting to understanding credit, investing, and entrepreneurship. From learning about finances and steering clear of debt to giving back and aiming for financial independence. These goals are your roadmap to financial literacy and success. Mastering them can open doors and create opportunities you've only dreamed of. Embrace these goals, and you're set to conquer the financial world. Until next time, my friend.